If the so-called bottom-up theories for the origin of life don't work, what would a thermodynamic approach to the problem bring to the table that's new? Here's where the fourth law and matters of scale come to the fore. Open thermodynamic systems behave differently at different scales. At the small scale, the overwhelming power of diffusion undermines any emergence of proto-living systems. At large scales, however, open thermodynamic systems produce a spontaneous orderliness upon which persistent proto-living systems might develop. This lecture goes into some of the physics behind that. Our topics will include a better understanding of the energy budget of the Earth, as well as developing a better understanding of how open thermodynamic systems behave at different scales. As you watch the lectures to follow, I'd like you to keep three things in mind. First, what comprises the total energy balance of the Earth, and what are the magnitudes of these energy flows? Second, what is it about open thermodynamic systems at large scale that set the stage for the origin of life? And third, what is the evidence for possible emergence of proto-life both on Earth itself and in extraterrestrial settings?